Hey makers, this is Dhruvin and in this session we will be talking about how we can create SharePoint site and list structure for our Leave application system. This is the intermediate video series where most of the people are asking me about the list structure and they wanted to know that how I prepared the list structure for my Leave application system. So let me walk through with that entire process with me. So first of all we need to create a SharePoint site. For that click on create site and then just click on team site. So I am just providing my team site name as YT Leaves. Click on next. Click on finish. My site has been created. It's time to create the leave site. Now it's time to create the list for the leaves. For that, go to the site contents. Click on new. Click on list. Click on blank list. Give the name of your list. And click on create. Out of the box manner title column has been created. It's time to add some more column. To add the new column, go to the top right corner and click on setting here and click on list settings. Click on create column. Let's create a column called department and provide the value as choice. Add this many of choice HR, development and managers. Click on OK. Create column. Manager. Provide type as person or group. Click on OK. Create a column for start date. Type is date and time. Click OK. Create a column for end date. Date and time. Click on OK. Create a column for number of days. Just keep as single line of text. Click on OK. Add a column leave status. Provide the type as choice. Add this many of choices pending, approve and rejected. Click on OK. Then create a column leave type. Provide the type as choice. Add following column: casual leave, medical leave, maternity leave, paternity leave, half pay leave, quarantine leave. And click on OK. Create a column, select type. Create a choice column. Add two values, planned leave and unplanned leave. Planned and unplanned. Click on OK. Create a column, manager comments. Select multi-line of text. Click on OK. So this is how our list structure has been created for the leaves list. Here you can see the different column: title, then department, manager, start date, end date, number of days, leave status, leave type, select type and manager comments. Now let's create one another list called approvers. So just click on site contents and click on new list. Click on blank list and give the name as approver. Click on create. Here out of the box column title is there. Just rename that column and provide the name as department. Add new column person and just provide the name as approver and just click on save. Now you can set up list entry, like let's say for an example you wanted to have that for HR Tejal is approver, So we just need to provide department as HR and just need to provide the name of the Tejal here. Same way, for an example, if my department is development, then I just need to provide my name as approver. So I simply provide my name over here and just click on exit grid view, right? So this is how we have created the approver list as well. So hope this is clear for you now. Now you have got clear idea that how you can define your list structure for your leave application system. If you have any question, you can add your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. I am uploading regular content on Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, Teams and SharePoint every day on my channel. So make sure that you hit subscribe and never miss any updates from my channel. If you wanted to looking for any consultancy, then click on this website. It will redirecting you to this page. Over here, you will be finding an option to contact me. So just fill out your query and send it to me. If you are interested to follow me on different social media handles, then here is the link. Click on that. It will redirecting you to this page. From here, you can listen my different social media profile over here. If you are interested to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, here are the link for Twitter and Instagram. I would recommend everyone to follow me on Instagram because on Instagram I am uploading short post, reels, IGTV and so other different thing. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. The ID for Instagram is very simple, which is Power Platform Guy. So search my ID in your search box and do follow me so you will never miss any updates from my Insta account as well. If you are interested for different Power Platform podcast, then this is the podcast channel. Click on that. It will redirecting you to this page. From here, you can listen your favorite Power Platform podcast on different podcast platform like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify, and much more. Also, if you are interested for different short videos related Power Platform, here is a separate channel called Digital Dhruvin. Subscribe the channel and show your love over here as well. This is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session. Have a great day. Goodbye.